Hi friends, once again Umair. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates from us. Today we will talk about the 18 most famous geniuses in history. The mind is a glorious vessel that needs to be cultivated and allowed to bloom. Life has become so advanced because millions of the smartest folk throughout history tap their little grey cells, as the greatest Hercule Poirot would say, and made our existence better. Indeed, we would not be where we are today if it were not for some the top contribution made by these intellectual figures, where it is in philosophy or science. And yes, the list goes beyond Elon Musk and Steve Jobs, who typically rank near the top. So, who are those intelligent and how have they helped develop our intelligence? Here is a breakdown of 18 famous geniuses of our time. Number 1 is Baruch Spinoza. Would the age of reason ever come about was it not for Baruch Spinoza and his colleagues? The Dutch philosopher was instrumental in the foundation of the Age of Enlightenment in the 18th century, contributing the historical developments in economics, politics, and science. Spinoza was integral in the reformation of the church, challenging the theologians and the status quo. Despite accusation of heresy, Spinoza acknowledged his belief in God, but his view was that this apotheosis was the sum of the natural and physical laws of the universe and certainly not an individual entity or creator. Number 2 is Galileo Galilei. If it were not for Galileo Galilei, would we be so advanced in the field of physics and astronomy? He is a chief example of someone who changed our world and perspective. The Italian scientist gave us more than just the telescope and the discovery of planetary objects. Galileo was responsible for informing us that we reside in a heliocentric solar system. This was unheard of in the 16th century and prompted an acquisition into what was considered a functional and contrarian view to the accepted view of a geocentric solar system. Number 3 is Marie Curie. What was remarkable about Marie Curie was that she accomplished a lot of firsts. For instance, she was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize and the first person ever to win two Nobel Prizes in two different sciences fields. But she is best known for discovering the elements polonium and radium and helping World War I soldiers with mobile radiology units. Number 4 is Leonardo da Vinci. Everyone knows who Leonardo da Vinci is. Many of the technological productions that have advanced humankind were conceptualized by none other than Da Vinci. The engineer and artist would put many of our contemporary geniuses to shame. Here are just some examples of inventions that emanated from a man who was ahead of this time. Helicopter, diving suit, parachute, aeroplane, self-propelled cart, robotics. Of course, Da Vinci also delved into the world of art, painting perhaps the most well-known portrait in the history of the world, Mona Lisa. He could do it all. Imagine if he were around today. Maybe finally he could colonize Mars, travel back and forth through time and ensure our shoes smell good. Number 5 is Albert Einstein. Like Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein is one of the most famous geniuses in the history of our world. Unfortunately, his contributions to humanity are not really as universal as his name, except his theory of relativity. But Einstein provided us with a treasure trove of information that remains pertinent in the world of mathematics and physics today. In fact, common day things such as paper towel, stock market forecast, solar power, and laser pointer exist because of Einstein. 6 is Katherine Johnson. Katherine Johnson was a mathematician who was instrumental to the first ever US crewed space flights. Thanks to her calculations of orbital machines as an employee at NASA, the space agency was able to send people to space successfully. Her work occurred at a time of extreme racial inequality, and her inspiring story and commendable achievements led her to receive a Presidential Medal of Freedom. Number 7 is Aristotle. Despite being a student of Plato's, Aristotle was likely far more influential as a Greek philosopher than his teacher. Aristotle had a major influence on the creation and development of Western philosophy, whose ideas played a monumental role in everything from physics to logic and reason to be theater. He also advanced the area of morality and virtue, presenting the idea that activity of the soul is directly related to moral virtues. But simply he argued that practical wisdom was the basis of happiness, which is perhaps one of the all-time important development in reasons. Number 8 is Grace Hopper. Before there was Steve Jobs or Bill Gates, there was Grace Hopper. Hopper was one of the first computer programs pioneering the technology of the first linkers. The United States Navy Rear Admiral created one of the first working code compilers that spawned COBOL-1, a creator computer programming language of the 20th century. Number 9 is Jane C. Royd. Jane Cook Royd pioneered cancer research and surgery and contributed extensively to chemotherapy. Decades ago, when Wright was just starting out, being diagnosed with cancer was a death sentence. However, because she decided to use human tissue culture instead of laboratory mice to test the effects of possible drugs on cancer cells, Wright forever changed medical cancer treatment. Number 10 is Nikola Tesla. If you ask today's Silicon Valley geniuses who their biggest influences are, the name Nikola Tesla will typically make any relevant list. They even a revolutionary automobile company named after the man. The Serbian inventor established AC electricity, wireless transmission of energy, remote control, and wireless telegraphy. Tesla was also considered a futurist for envisioning that tomorrow will be like over the next century.